Health Check is presented by
Island Cancer Center.
If your child is in need of vaccinations to meet school requirements, then make sure to head to the Department of Public Health's annual immunization school outreach event, scheduled for tomorrow at the Micronesia Mall. Program Coordinator Annette Uggan.
10 to 12 while supplies last. However, we do advise them to come early. Every year we do have a large turnout, that do show up, and that we ask them to please also feed the child. It's going to be a long wait, unfortunately, because we do have to make sure we screen every individual child.
School-required vaccinations will be available to children 4 years of age to 18 years of age. Each child will be screened for vaccine history and medical conditions to ensure they are able to receive the vaccinations.
Just remind parents to please bring the child's most current shot record. If the child is less than 18 years of age, a birth certificate, mom and dad a valid photo ID, or if mom or dad cannot accompany them, a guardian or an adult with written authorization must also bring their own ID so that they can fill out the necessary consent forms.
All recommended vaccines such as the DTaP, measles, mumps, rubella, polio, and hepatitis B, as well as hepatitis A, and the Prevnar vaccine will be available.
Those who are first time entering, there will be a limited supply of PPD skin tests. It's not a vaccine, but PPD skin test is a requirement for those first entering into public health. Into public and private schools. We do have to advise, though, that those who are matriculating from elementary to middle and middle to high, Guam DOE has required a PPD skin test for those. However, we will not be able to provide that.
If you are concerned that your child may be behind in vaccinations, Uggan says they will still be able to attend school on a condition.
With the way that the school requirement is written is the child will receive whatever shots will make them up to date at that time for enrollment and to start the school year. And then depending on the vaccine series that's not up to date, there's the different spacing.
Uggan says it also depends on dose number in the series. Some vaccines require a month spacing, while others may require 2 to 6 month spacing period for the next dose.
The school will allow that child to attend school until the next shots are due, and then they usually give them a time frame to get that next dose in the series to continue to remain in school.
The line for immunizations will form at the entrance of Payless. All those who intend on going are advised to arrive early as a crowd is anticipated. With this week's Health Check report, I'm Jolene Tovis.
Health Check is presented by
Island Cancer Center.